The Japanese maple, also known as the Acer palmatum, is a very popular tree species used for bonsai. It is famous for the beautiful colors of its leaves in fall. The tree originally grew in Japan, China and Korea. There are countless cultivars of the Japanese maple, each with unique leaf colors. The bark of younger trees is normally green and turns light grey or brown with age. So how do you care for your maple bonsai? The maple is a deciduous tree species, which means it needs to be placed outdoors year-round. It prefers a sunny position, with perhaps a little shade during midday in summer. The maple is frost hardy, but should be protected from strong frosts of about 15 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 10 degrees Celsius. Water the maple generously whenever the soil gets slightly dry. Best is to water your bonsai, then wait a minute and water it again to make sure that the entire root mass is watered. Observe the tree closely and make sure that it never dries out. The maple really dislikes short periods of drought. Daily misting will help raise the humidity around your bonsai, though for most outdoor trees this is not really important. Fertilize your maple during the entire growth season, from early spring till fall, using an organic and solid fertilizer. Regular pruning is required to maintain the shape of your maple. Simply prune shoots that extend to 5 leaves back to 2 or 3 leaves, using a sharp scissors. Pruning thick branches should be done in the fall. Bonsai are kept in small pots, and therefore we need to repot the trees every 2 years in early spring. If you see the roots circling around the root system, your bonsai needs to be repotted. If the roots are still contained within soil, leave it and check again in the following spring. You can propagate the maple using cuttings or seeds, or you can buy them online as they are widely available at bonsai shops. If your Japanese maple is losing a lot of its leaves and it's not fall, then it's often a result of improper watering or not enough light. Again, make sure you place your bonsai outside with enough sunlight and water it generously as soon as the soil gets slightly dry. Learn how to create your own bonsai trees by enrolling in one of our online bonsai courses. We explain techniques like pruning, wiring and repotting, and you can ask questions to the teachers. For the curriculums and free lessons, go to bonsaiempire.com/courses.